right? And it's a styling head. Have you heard of those? I have. And I think Sunny Day is like a show. But I'm excited to open this. This is one of my presents, and let's get to it. So we want to open the bag. Oh, there we go. I'll figure it out. So sorry. Okay, there we go. So now let's open you up, my Sunny doll. Let's place that right there, and let's take her out. Oh, she's attached right here. Okay, let me unattach her. Just a couple of snips right there. Yep, I saw it. Okay, that one. Get away from my Sunny doll. There we go. Okay, so we got her 3. Come on out, my Sunny doll. Yep, okay. Woo, gotcha. Okay, so there she is. We want to just take this part out. Oh, yep, okay. So, boom, boom. There we go. Okay, so she has this here, but I'm going to take it out so I can style her. So I'm going to... Okay, anyway, let's just snip this after okay, let's just snip it. Okay, there we go. So let's just snip that. Okay, so we got our doll right here, ready for styling. She looks adorable. Let's just go with this one. Okay, now she's really ready for styling. So let's get styling. Oh, but first we gotta see the accessories. Okay, so we got you. There we go. Okay, so we have the comb and we have these things right here. So I think I will put that right there. Oh, nope. She has so much hair. Okay, so now I have this little headband in here. So just see it. There we go. Look at this cute little headband that we can put on her. That can go with it. So now we have some real freeing stuff to do. Okay, so here we go. Come on. Free you up. Yes, I got it. Okay. Open this up. Oh, guys, we got a clip with a hair strip. Ooh, we could put that on her, definitely. Now we got some of these styling stuff to do. Okay. Oh, hey guys, check this out. Let's try it real quick. Okay, I'm gonna try it right here on this. Guys, look. Look at her hair. It's changing. I'm gonna do it now. Whoa, okay, that's cool. So, hey, where's the comb? Hey! Okay, so I'm gonna comb up her hair. She has some beautiful hair, right? Like all sorts of colors. But she's not having a good day, so let's fix this up. Okay, so I think I should try some of the clips. Okay, so I got this. I got this one right here. Oh, hey! This thing has like dots. I think that's where we can put this. So I'm going to grab this right here. This one can go right here. Okay. Ooh, what's are these? Okay, first let's decorate this real quick. So then let's go with that. Okay, we got one more right over here. And I think those are it. Let's just look around just in case we missed one. Nope, nope. Okay, my Sunny. So we got some of these clips, but let's try this in her hair first. Okay. How does she look? Let me see. Oh, you're so cute. Look, she looks adorable. Okay, let's take this out. Put like one of these in her hair. There, she looks adorable. Okay, well, we should put her stuff like away in her sash here. Because this girl ain't going to be here for long. She's about to run away. Okay. So I got some hair bands right here where I can put those in. There's a clip. Some of these yarns. So, okay, I don't put you there. I put you guys here. Go. So she got all of her stuff right there. This I think she'll wear for today. Ooh, wait, can I wear this? Let's see. Nope, I can't. It's too tight and too small. Okay, so let's put this on her real quick. There you go. Looking adorable again. Oh no, one of your things fell out. Here. Okay, so we got this, which maybe I could wear. Let me see. Huh? Never mind. Anyway, she will look adorable with this on. Okay, there we go. Fix it up. So yeah, I'm gonna put this right, like, let's see. I'll just put it in her hair. Right here, yeah, right here. She'll just have to go with it. So I hope you like this video. Huh? I'll place that right there. Okay. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye guys. Chikapao gotta go now. Peace. Stay safe.